So I just got home and this was waiting for me. Let's see what it is. I know what it is, but can you guess? Samsung. Let's see. Yeah, that's it. The Galaxy S9 Plus, the Australian one. It was just released, well, they sent it out on the 9th. I pre-ordered mine. The 9th was Friday, got here today, the 12th, which is Monday. So that's pretty cool. If our special was if you pre-order it in Australia, I don't know about overseas, but if you pre-order it here in Australia, you get a free wireless convertible charger, which is good, 120 or 100 and, I don't know, 150 maybe. So I saved. I was going to buy one of them ahead of time, so I'm glad I didn't. So there it is. Which is great. Yeah, we have the different chipset compared to America and China. We have it's Samsung's own one. I'm not sure what it is. I know you guys get the America and China get the Snapdragon, and we get the Exynos or something. And apparently it's a bit faster, like 44% faster or something. But I don't think it will make that much of a difference. But cool, that's pretty cool anyway. There's the wireless charger. That's good. I'm glad I got that. Ooh, something else in there. Looks like a shirt. If it's a shirt, I don't want to be wearing a Samsung shirt about. You're one of the first. And here's our way of saying thanks. Exclusive benefits to help you connect your Galaxy S9 to a world of Samsung products. Well, there's some codes and whatnot in there. We might cover them. I get a code for a memory card. I was going to buy that. So might be able to get it cheaper on eBay or something, but could end up being a dodgy one. And a fridge, no, I'm fine for fridges. Okay, what's that? Experience the Samsung difference, right? Okay. Registering. Okay, cool. I'll be doing that. Now, what is this? Oh, thank you. That's nice. It's the first time I've ever brought a phone outright. I've always had it on the bag, I think. Little tote bag. Let's have a look. Samsung tote bag. Thanks. Totes, thanks. Yeah. There we go, Samsung Galaxy. I suppose it's okay. Not really one for tote bags. It's like a faux leather type feel here. The rest of it is fashion. The faux leather handles. Yeah, no, it's alright. Right, little bonus. What if you got the other colours? If the bag would match the phone colour, because I got the midnight black one, so. Yeah, thank you in the box. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, as I said, I've never pre-ordered anything like that, so I don't know if all companies do that, if Apple does it or what, but it's good. So yeah, I've got the 64 gigabyte one, and yeah, that's that. Unboxing of Galaxy S9 Plus, the Australian edition, one of the first. Awesome.